dignitaries, honorable guests, and members of the media. A very good morning to all of you. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of HDB Financial Services Limited, we extend a very warm, a very hearty welcome to each and every one present over here. Thank you so much for taking out your precious time and joining us here for a truly, truly memorable occasion. Post the successful IPO subscription, we are here to commemorate this joyous and significant milestone of the listing of HDB Financial Services Limited equity shares at the prestigious NSE. Today, we mark the beginning of a new journey for HDB Financial Services Limited as a listed entity. And on that note, let's have a thunderous round of applause for HDB Financial Services Limited, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, HDB is the 7th largest leading diversified retail-focused non-banking financial company in India in terms of the size of the total gross loan book at 902.2 billion as at March 31st, 2024 amongst its NBFC peers according to the CRISIL report. The company is also categorized as an upper layer NBFC by the RBI. HDB, ladies and gentlemen, offers a very large portfolio of lending products that cater to a growing and diverse customer base through a wide omni-channel distribution network. Company's lending products are offered through 3 business verticals: enterprise lending, asset finance, and consumer finance. Company's total gross loans grew at a CAGR of 23.54% between March 2023 to March 2025. Not only that, HDB's assets under management now stand at 1,072.6 billion as at March 2025. And with that, also let me tell you, we deeply understand India because the 19.2 million customers and counting agree with us. Ladies and gentlemen, this is such a proud moment for all of us today. With this lamp lighting, we pray that our prayers reach the Almighty, the fire within us to be the best, to be a winner, and to succeed always also burns very, very bright. Ladies and gentlemen, with this lamp lighting, it's a new beginning, a new journey for HDB Financial Services Limited. And now, without further ado, it gives me immense pleasure to invite on stage the MD and CEO at HDB Financial Services Limited, Mr. G. Ramesh. Let's have a thunderous round of applause for sir, please. Hearty welcome, sir.
So, I'm as nervous as my first day on the job, so apologize. So good morning, everyone. Thank you for being here today. Distinguished members of the board of HDFC Bank and HDB Financial Services, Mr. Ashish Chauhan and his colleagues at National Stock Exchange, our BRLMs and other partners, employees and guests today. It's an absolute privilege to welcome each one of you to the portals of National Stock Exchange today. Your presence truly elevates this momentous occasion for us. Today marks a once-in-a-lifetime milestone for HDB Financial Services Limited, our IPO and listing on the exchange. This isn't just a day of celebration, it's a landmark moment in our corporate journey, signifying the culmination of years of unwavering dedication. As I stand back here, my mind goes back to September 3rd, 2007, when we began our journey as a proud subsidiary of HDFC Bank Limited. Now, as we enter our 18th year, I think it's time. I think the board of bank has told us grow up, and that's what we do here today thanks to our listing. We're incredibly fortunate to have an exceptionally talented management team, supported by an eminent board and guided by our promoters. This constant mentorship has been the bedrock of our journey. Since our inception, we have worked relentlessly to develop, refine, and enhance our business enabling us to launch relevant, value-driven, and a highly scalable business. By deeply understanding our customer segments, we have successfully diversified our business, continuously adding new products and addressing their specific needs. Our issue of rupees 12,500 crores also happens to be the largest IPO by an NBFC till date. As a leading player in the NBFC sector, this milestone not only highlights our significant growth, but also underscores the importance of this sector for the country. As we stand before you today, welcoming new investors in HDB family, we want to reiterate our profound awareness of our roles and responsibilities. We are committed to upholding the highest standards of corporate governance and will continuously strive to enhance the stakeholder value. On this day, I extend my sincere gratitude to all our advisors, our book running lead managers, our legal teams, statutory auditors, and all our partners who guided us meticulously through our IPO journey. Your expertise and unwavering support has been crucial to make this day a reality. A special thank you also goes to the listing team at NSE who have organized this event for us today. Thank you very much. Thank you for being a part of us today on this incredible day. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for initiating the proceedings and sharing your valuable insights with us. And now, it is my utmost honor to invite on stage the MD and CEO at HDFC Bank, Mr. Shashidhar Jagdishan. Let's give a huge round of applause for sir as I welcome him on stage. Very, very warm welcome, sir.
Ashish Chawanji, distinguished guests, dear colleagues, a very good morning. Today is a very historic day for HDB Financial Services, and I'm immensely proud to see this institution grow and achieve this milestone. For the bank, today marks another significant milestone in our journey of inclusive growth and value creation. While the group has nurtured HDB over the years, I, along with my colleagues from HDFC Bank, applaud the commitment, the passion of the talented team from HDB driving business and taking its strength to strength. Today, HDB Financial Services stands ready to start a new chapter as a publicly traded entity. Our kid has become an adult. 24 years ago, I was a part of a similar event at the NYSE where we listed the HDFC Bank ADR. I understand the hard work and the toil that goes behind reaching this culmination of a wonderful event and milestone. I know Ramesh and team, the CFO and his team, and all the people in HDB and their partners have gone through the same, and I'm sure they're all thrilled to be here today. The listing will provide HDB with the independent capital and visibility it needs to accelerate its growth trajectory, pursue new opportunities, and further solidify its position in the market. We believe HDB is exceptionally well positioned to capitalize a large runway for credit to underserved segment that our country provides by its strong fundamentals. The ringing of the bell today brings the company to a larger stage with new milestones to scale and achieve. I'm confident that the listing will help scale what we have built, and we remain conscious and committed to doing that with integrity, humility, and responsibility. To Ramesh, the management team, and all the employees of HDB Financial Services and the board of HDB, I extend my gratitude as well as hearty congratulations. Your tireless efforts and commitment have been the bedrock of the success. I also want to acknowledge the invaluable contributions of our advisors, bankers, legal teams, and all other partners who have guided us through this complex journey. Your expertise and support have been instrumental in making this day a reality. Our thanks to the regulators, the RBI, the SEBI, the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, the Ministry of Finance for their guidance and support through this process. To our new shareholders, I extend a warm welcome. I assure you that we are committed to ensuring that your trust in us is well placed. We will continue to uphold the highest standards of corporate governance and accountability. We will continue to support HDB as it navigates the opportunities and challenges of the public market, always with an eye on long-term value creation. Thank you all for being here to witness this historic moment. May this listing be the harbinger of even greater success and prosperity for HDB Financial Services, its employees, and its shareholders. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for addressing this august gathering. Ladies and gentlemen, now it gives me immense pleasure to invite on stage the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer at NSE, Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan. Let's give a warm welcome to sir. Welcome, sir.
Shri K.K. Mistry, Sushri Renu Karnad, Shri Sashidhar Jagdishan, Shri Kaizad Bharucha, Shri Arijit Vasu, Shri Ramesh Ganeshan, Shri Dheeraj Reli, Shri Vipul Rumta, board members, distinguished guests, employees, ladies and gentlemen, investment bankers, lawyers, media and PR team members, good morning and a warm welcome to all of you at NSE for the listing ceremony of HDB Financial Services Limited. NSE is proud to welcome HDB Financial Services in our family of listed corporates, and this will be the 2,768th company to list with us. NSE shares a long-standing and valued relationship with HDFC Bank, which has been an integral part of our flagship index, Nifty 50, since its inception, a testament to its enduring strength and trust. India is the fourth largest capital market in the world. Market capitalization of NSE-listed companies has grown over 125 times since NSE started operations in 94, which now stands at about 459 lakh crores, that is $5.4 trillion, and from today onwards, HDB Financial Services will be an integral part of it. In 30 years, NSE has had a remarkable journey of enabling a fair, efficient and transparent capital market ecosystem and being a catalyst to the growth story of India, enabling economic growth through fund mobilization, capital formation, wealth creation and job creation. NSE has over 11.5 crore unique investors with over 22.5 crore accounts spanning 99.9% of all PIN codes in the country. Only 28 PIN codes do not have NSE investors, and most of them are airports. From Ladakh to Andaman Nicobar and from Dwarka to Arunachal Pradesh, in every PIN code we have now an NSE investor. At NSE, our commitment has always been to provide a platform that enables companies to grow, investors to participate in that growth, and India's economy to thrive. We are proud to offer HDB Financial Services access to a broad investor base and a fair, efficient, and transparent marketplace. I congratulate the entire team of HDB Financial Services, its merchant bankers BNP Paribas, JM Financial, BOFA Securities, Goldman Sachs India, HSBC Securities, IIFL Capital Services, Jefferies India, Morgan Stanley India, Motilal Oswal Investment Advisors, Nomura Financial Advisory, Nuvama Wealth Management, UBS Securities India, Legal Advisor Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas, PR Agency Ad Factors PR, and other parties associated in this listing for their accomplishments. Today's listing marks the beginning of a strong partnership between NSE and HDB Financial Services. We look forward to support HDB Financial Services in its future fundraising endeavors and continued growth. May your journey in the public markets be prosperous and enduring. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. I request sir to please be on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment that we all have been eagerly waiting for is right here. I will invite the dignitaries on stage, Mr. G. Ramesh, Mr. Arijit Basu, Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, Mr. Shashidhar Jagdishan, Mr. Kaizad M. Bharucha, Mr. Bhavesh Zaveri, Mr. V. Srinivasa Rangan, Mr. K.K. Mistry, and Mr. Jimmy Tata to please come on stage to do the honors of ringing this iconic NSE bell and inviting this very, very historic moment in our lives. Let's have a huge round of applause for our dignitaries, please. Just a few hygiene announcements before we welcome this moment. I request everyone to please be seated at all times as we have our media team and our videographers at the back. So if you want to take pictures, you can take your seats and take pictures. At the same time, we need a lot of energy from everyone here in this room. So once, we're just 10 seconds away, we all know the drill, but still let me remind you that we'll have to do like a customary countdown together. We have to shout and let the whole country know that we are coming here. So we will be shouting 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, and then boom, we will be inviting this historic moment into our lives. All right, just a few seconds. As you can see, the clock is ticking. We're just a few seconds away from this milestone. So ladies and gentlemen, be all ready. Take out your phones for this very, very important moment. Yes. So everyone who's listening to me, let's start with the countdown the next few seconds. And your dignitaries on stage, I hope you're ready. Okay, so just 20 more seconds. In the next 5 seconds, we'll be starting with the countdown. All right, everybody, be ready. And here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my God, that is what we call as a true milestone. Ladies and gentlemen, a louder round of applause, everybody, please, for HDB Financial Services Limited, which is now officially listed on the stock exchange of the country. Wow, what a milestone this is, ladies and gentlemen. Hearty, hearty congratulations to everyone.